Welcome to the CCNA Lab Guide, a structured roadmap designed to transform networking theory into real-world skill. This introduction lays out everything you need to navigate hands-on labs with confidence, from purpose and audience to best practices and key takeaways. At its core, this guide follows a proven 5-step workflow. Plan, configure, verify, troubleshoot, and document. It's a cycle that mirrors how real network engineers approach every task, building practical skills and the confidence that translates directly into workplace success. Whether you're a CCNA student, a working technician, or an IT professional sharpening your edge, this resource meets you where you are. It clarifies objectives, walks through configurations step by step, and prepares you for both certification exams and real network environments. You'll explore the full breadth of networking, from fundamentals in IP addressing to switching, routing, services, and security. Each topic is reinforced with verification, troubleshooting, and documentation, so knowledge becomes muscle memory. The guide is organized into clear lab tracks, spanning fundamentals through advanced troubleshooting and appendices, over 150 labs in total. A right-side reference makes it easy to jump to the exact skill you want to build next. Best practices keep your learning sharp. Plan your design, change one thing at a time, verify after every change, and document everything clearly. These habits separate hobbyists from professionals. The takeaway is simple. Hands-on practice is the bridge between theory and mastery. Stay consistent, stay curious, and let every lab move you one step closer to becoming a confident network engineer.